Hi, I'm Himanshu Sharma, student of EILM 11 batch of January 10th and February 12th batch. My marketing was major and retail as minor. I am today very happy that I got a job in Bengal History at last. This is not my hard work. The contribution has been made by me and my faculty members who brushed me up so much so that I can get a good job in the good industries. And beside this, I want to thank my placement department who helped me a lot. I want to thank my placement dean Surya Chatterjee who conducted so many interviews for us so that we can get a good job and we can face in front of the interviewer. We can give the correct answer so that we can get a good job. And I wish all the best to all my students.
Hi, I am Indranil Lahiri. I came from Murshidabad. 2 years ago, I was searching for a good college for my MBA, and then I have found EILM in Kolkata, and I have decided to get admission in EILM. So when finally I get admitted in EILM, I have found it very interesting. All the classes, all the faculties, because the faculties and all the staffs were very helpful in our two courses, in our case studies, assignments, group studies, and they have conducted many GD and PI classes to groom ourselves. And finally, when the interview session came, we all were very nervous in our interview sessions, and the faculties also helped us to overcome those nervousness in our interview session. And finally, I get the job in Kentaro, and right now I am very happy because by getting the help so much from our faculties and all our staffs, and especially from placement department. And right now I will give my 100% in my corporate career. And one thing I want to say that I didn't have any experience in my career, and EILM also provided me the experience as my SIP summer internship program. So right now when I get the job, that experience of SIP also helped me to crack the interview and GDs. So thanks to EILM and all the faculties and all the staffs from placement departments. That's all.
Hi, myself Joyanta Ugoi. I am from Guwahati. I just completed my third SIP exam and I got a job at TTK Prestige as a territory sales officer. When I came from Guwahati, I was having lots of dreams and I was thinking how I will be completing my all such dreams. But thanks to EILM, to the faculty members who supported me to reach closer my dreams, and of course I like to thank the placement department for giving me opportunities to sit in a reputed companies. Thanks.
Hello everybody, my name is Joy Sarkar and I have completed my MBA from EILM and I have been placed in Pantaloons Retail India Limited. Thanks to my college EILM who have provided me this platform so that I can get this job. The entire placement department, I want to thank the entire placement department, the faculty members who have groomed me and have given me this opportunity so that I can sit for this interview and get this job, and all my friends who have been placed in some other companies. Thank you.
Hi, I am Shivajit Biswas. Recently I got a job in TTK Prestige through campus recruitment. Yes, I joined EILM 2 years back, that is in the year 2010, with lots of dreams and aspirations in my life. And today I can proudly say they all have come true. And the credit goes to the entire faculty members of EILM. Starting from Chitresh sir to Harsh sir, then Tapu sir and other faculty members who have contributed their teachings and their guidance during my 2 years in EILM. And also Karwanda sir, who used to take our pre-placement classes, and that really helped us to groom as per the corporate standards. Last but not the least, I would like to express my gratitude towards the placement department of EILM, including all the placement officials and our respected Churjit sir and others sir who have brought in such beautiful and wide range of companies in EILM and providing us support throughout the entire placement process. Yes, I am thankful to EILM, and my lifelong I will be indebted to EILM for this job. Thank you.